This week on The Brief, Apple is getting serious about smart glasses, AI agents are going rogue, and YouTube introduces a ghost in the machine. 90 seconds on the clock, let's go. Apple is accelerating development of smart glasses, a pendant, and new AirPods with AI. The AirPods upgrade makes sense, the pendant is interesting, but that's an early adopter product. The glasses though, that's the one that matters. I've been testing the Even Reality smart glasses, the Meta Ray-Bans, and the form factor, it's getting there. Apple has waited for the right moment. I think they're going to nail the fashion side of this. Function will follow, and the real advantage is the iPhone handoff and Apple's private protocols. Expect the same seamless connectivity Apple has built with AirDrop, AirPods, Apple Watch. Now these smart glasses become the natural next device in their ecosystem. The question mark is visual intelligence and the AI behind it. If that part doesn't work, the whole promise falls apart. The first real agentic coding disaster has landed. Amazon reportedly had an AI coding agent make an error that likely cost hundreds of millions of dollars. I've personally been using Claude Code and it is genuinely powerful, but it is a black box. And that's fine when the stakes are low, but when you're dealing with medical systems, servers, or autonomous vehicles, you need to be able to see inside that box. The problem with these agentic systems is that they don't know when they've made a mistake, which makes it nearly impossible to audit in real time. Amazon's mistake took 13 hours to surface. My fear is this: as fewer humans write code manually, our ability to catch and override these errors disappears. We become fully dependent on the agents. That's the real risk. YouTube just launched an AI chatbot that lives on the platform and only knows YouTube, and I think that's the point. Every time you try to ask Siri something on your screen or use a universal remote to search across platforms, it inevitably fails. The context isn't there, but a bot that only knows YouTube knows exactly what's playing, what's trending, and what's next. That is genuinely useful. This fits a theory we've been building. Narrow, platform-specific agents are going to be incredibly powerful because they know their lane and the context. The bigger signal is what happens next. When master agents like Claude or GPT can connect into these platform agents via APIs, the user stops caring who answers, they just want the answer. Well, that's all the time that we have for the M7 Innovation Brief. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.